Commonly known as blueberry lily, blue flax lily, black anther flax lily, or spreading flax lily, is widely distributed within Australia and grows in extremely variable conditions, predominantly in woodland and mallee forests. This plant is horticulturally desirable because once it is established, it is very hardy and has a wide moisture and temperature range, excluding inland extremes. It is drought and frost resistant, is generally trouble-free, and is grown for its distinctive, strappy foliage as well as for its flowers and fruits. Foliage is dark green with ivory stripes. Leaves grow from thick rhizomes that spread to form broad clumps or colonies. Spring and summer produce branched stems that rise above the foliage. These hold very small white flowers with a spray of yellow anthers in the center. Blooms are followed by round, non-edible blueberry-like fruits. Flax lilies are adapted to well-drained soils and a wide range of pH conditions, and planting sites can include from full sun to part shade light exposure. While drought tolerant, flax lilies will benefit from organic matter added to the soil prior to planting to help retain moisture. Companion plant suggestions include crown of thorns, ixoras, hibiscus, carissa, and purple queen. The traditional Aboriginal people used some of these species, including eating the raw and ripe fruit between October and November, although only a few at a time. The roots were pounded, roasted on hot coals, and also eaten. The fibrous leaves used to make waistbands, footwear, nets, traps, and baskets. During the colonial period, the berries were used for making a permanent blue dye.